In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Outlook if you need to access your email quickly and securely. Outlook makes the sign-in process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly what to look for on the screen so you can log in without confusion, whether you're using a work account, a school account, or a personal Microsoft email. To begin, open the Outlook sign-in page in your web browser. Once the page loads, you'll see the Microsoft sign-in screen where you can access your account. This is the main entry point for Outlook on the web, and it's where you'll start anytime you want to check your inbox from a browser. When you're on the sign-in page, look for the field where you can enter your email address. Type in your Outlook email, Microsoft email, or the account connected to the mailbox you want to open. Take a second to make sure the address is entered correctly, especially if you have multiple accounts or if you're signing in on a shared device. After entering your email, continue to move forward in the sign-in process. In some cases, you may not need to type your email at all. If you've signed in on that browser before, Microsoft may already show your account on the screen. If that happens, simply click on the account that matches the one you want to use. This can save time and makes logging in even faster. Just be sure you're selecting the correct account, especially if more than one option appears. If your account is listed, choosing it will continue the login flow for that profile. If it isn't listed, entering your email manually is the right option. Either way, the goal is to identify the correct Outlook account so Microsoft can take you to the next stage of access. A helpful tip here is to pay attention to whether you're signing in on a personal computer or a public one. If you're on your own device, the saved account option can be convenient. But if you're on a shared or public computer, it's always a good idea to be cautious about saved sign-in information. And that's all you need to do to get started logging in into Outlook. Open the sign-in page, enter your email if needed, or select your existing account if it already appears. Once you've done that, you're on your way to accessing your mailbox smoothly and efficiently.